Welcome back to another video. Today's topic is percentage. There are three types of questions you'll get in Edexcel GCSE exams. So the first one is find X percentage of Y, and then what is X after a percentage increase or decrease, and express X as a percentage of Y. First type. So here are four questions. So what is 10% of 18? So the way you calculate this is you simply times 10% by 18. Remember, 10% means 10 over 100. Percent means per 100. So 10% is 10 over 100, which is 0.1. So what you do is to calculate 10% of 18, you just do 10% times 18, which is 10 over 100, which equals 0.1. So 0.1 times 18, which is 1.8. Same goes with the other three questions. You do the exact same thing. So what is 47% of 106? 47 times 106, which is 47 over 100, or 0.47 times 106. And you of course use a calculator for your answer. 0.47 times 106, and the answer is 49.82. So 49.82. What is 73% of 90,000? Same thing, 73%, which is 73 over 100, which is 0.73 times 90,000. Then you get the answer, which will be correct, okay, using your calculator. What is 90% of 80? Same thing again, 90 over 100, which is 0.9. So 0.9 times 0.8, then you get the answer, okay, using the calculator. Type 2, increase 1,100 by 20%. So the way you do that is you get, what this question means basically is you have 1,000, okay, you have 1,100, okay, and you want to add 20% of this, so 20%, 0.2 times, so you want to add 20% of 1,100 to 1,100. That's what this question means. So increasing 1,100 by 20%. Now there is a formula for this. The thing I'm running out right now is just to explain it to you, but there's a formula, okay? And the formula is this. X, let's assume that's the starting number. You times that by bracket, and then 1 plus or minus, depending if it's an increase or decrease, Y percent, okay? And it will give you the answer. So Y is a percentage in decimal, of course. The percentage has to be in decimal, and X is a starting number, okay, starting number, okay. Using this formula, you'll be able to solve all these questions easily. So for example, in this case, 1,100 is the starting number, okay, so you replace X with 1,100 and then times 1. In this case it's an increase, okay, so you use the plus sign. Increase, plus, increase here again, plus, decrease, minus, decrease, minus, okay. So 1 plus the percentage. The percentage, right, in this case is 20%. Convert that to decimal. 20% means 20 over 100, which means 0.2, okay. So 1 plus 0.2 equals the answer. So 1,100 times 1.2, okay, and the answer is 1,320. 1,320. Easy. Next question, same thing. Increase 450 by 90%. Use the same equation, this equation right here. So 450 is a starting number, and then you multiply by you multiply by the brackets, and inside the brackets it's 1 plus, since we're increasing this time, 1 plus the percentage, y. In this case it's 90%. Convert that into decimals like we did here, 20% to 0.2. In this case 90% turns into 0.9, so 0.9. Okay, and then you get the answer. Now in this case, decrease 86,000 by 65%. So the starting number is 86,000. Then you times, and then bracket 1, and this time it's minus the percentage. Okay, this time you're using the minus. Okay, y in this situation will be 65%. Convert 65% into decimal, which is, oh, not 0.67, 0.65. That'll be your answer. So no, not your answer, this will be y. Okay, then you get the answer. Next question. Okay, pause the video and try and do this yourself. See if you can get it right. Alright, so 7.89 times 1 minus 0.87. 87%, 0.87 equals, let me grab my calculator. So 7.89 times 1 minus 0.87 is 0.13. 0.13. The answer is, the answer is 1.0257. 1.0257. Now moving on to the third type. Express x as a percentage of y. Express 29 as a percentage of 290. It's fairly simple. This is what you do. You put the 29 on top, 290 at the bottom. So this is the marks you're looking for as a percentage, and this is the total. So in this case the total is 290, and the percentage and the fraction you're trying to look for is 29. So 29 over 290, and then you times by 100 to get the percentage. Okay, so this answer will give you 290 divided by 29 is 100. Is 1 over 100. And then 1 over 100 times 100 is 1. 1%. Now next question. Express 780 as a percentage of 156,000. Same thing. So 780 over 156,000 times 100. I'll use your calculator for that. The answer is 0.5 and 0.5%. Okay. Next question. Same thing. Express 80 as a percentage of 300. 80 over 300 times 100. Done. Get the answer using a calculator. Express 1.5 as a percentage of 600. 1.5 over 600 times 100. Easy. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped. And yeah, see you in the next one.